Okay. Again, welcome to my classroom. Again, I am teacher Sandra. Okay. Is it morning there or is it evening?
It's about 9 o'clock.
In the evening or in the morning?
In the morning.
In the morning. Okay, so good morning. So how's your day? How's your morning so far, Amir?
Oh, good.
All
Also,
good.
I had to just write some things here.
Okay. So for today's session, we will focus on multiplication in columns. Okay, so specifically, Amir, multiplying a one-digit
Oh wait, I
number.
forgot I have something here. Yeah, I have to show you.
What?
See this red dot over there, that's mine. That like that, so you can literally see that I can draw.
Yes. Okay. But for now, I will not allow you to write anything in our screen. Are we clear? Do you
Yes,
understand?
yes, yes.
Okay. Very good, Amir. So again, um, our session will focus on multiplication in columns as you can see here in our screen. Can you see it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So specifically multiplying a one-digit number by a two-digit number. So this means we will practice problems where you line up the numbers carefully in columns. You need to multiply step by step and then add the results to get the final answer. So we will use this worksheet from K5 Learning as our
K5
guide.
learning.
Yes.
K5 learning.
So
What do
you
you kindergarten to grade 5?
Yep. So you will have a clear examples to follow. So here's what we'll do together. We need to review the column setup, how to place numbers correctly. Okay, you need to practice step-by-step multiplication or you how to multiply
Yeah,
the ones.
my teacher
Place.
in our class is literally my teacher teach us actually how to do this, but I think since there's no other number here, you're not gonna just put it down like in plus.
Mm-hmm.
You just say gonna have to times it.
Yeah, you have to multiply it. Okay, you need to multiply the ones placed
How much so?
first, then the tens place, and you need to add partial
By
products.
the
Okay,
way, can you hear the aircon noise here?
No.
We have an aircon. It's quite
Okay.
it's
Okay,
annoying.
so you're going to combine the results to get the final answers, and also we need to check answers.
What?
So making sure our work is correct and also neat. So this lesson, Amir, will help you become more
What?
confident with bigger multiplication problems, and it's a great step forward. Okay, it's a great step like toward mastering more advanced math. But before that, okay, we have here multiplication table. So as
Yeah,
six.
1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 3 equals 3, 1 times 4 equals 4, 1 times 5 equals 5, 1 times 6 equals 6, 1 times 7 equals 7, 1 times 8 equals 8, 1 times 9 equals 9, 1 times 10 equals 10.
So that's the multiplication table for ones. Okay, proceed with multiplication table of.
So I might wonder why when it's 10 times 10, it's always 100, then 100, then then the biggest number is a infinite.
Infinite because there's no ending. Okay, so skip count by two, Amir.
Skip
Multiplication
count by
table.
2.
Yes.
Ah, 2 times 2 equals, okay, let's go first. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8, 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 7 equals 14, 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, 2 times 10 equals 20.
Okay, skip count by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8. Go.
9,
2,
2, 4, 8, 6.
2, 4, 6.
Okay, wait. 2, 4, 8.
No,
Okay.
no, no.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17,
8.
18, 19.
Oh, is it 19? It's
Oh,
20.
10.
Okay, let's proceed with multiplication table of 3's.
3. 3. Okay. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 34. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30.
Okay, skip count. The 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, skip count by 4's. Just this one.
Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Okay, how about 5? Can
5, 10, 15, 20, 35, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay, how about 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
And then 7?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
And 8?
8, 60, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, so that's the multiplication table from 1 to 10. Now let's proceed with our worksheet.
Wow.
First worksheet.
Worksheet.
Okay, worksheet. Okay, multiply in columns, one digit by. Okay, quiet first. Listen to teacher first. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Okay, so this worksheet
Is what?
teaches
Why
how
did
to
you?
multiply one-digit number by a two-digit number. So the problems are written in columns, which means the numbers are stacked on top of each other. So this helps you line up the digits correctly when multiplying. So here's how it works step by step, Amir. You need to write down, for example,
What?
23 times
23
4
times 4.
equals blank.
What?
Okay,
Black, yeah.
quiet first. Listen to teacher first. Okay, here's how it works step by step. You need to write the two-digit number on top and the one-digit number below it. So when it comes to column, so 23 times 4. Okay, multiply the bottom number by the ones place of the top number. Okay, Amir, this is what we call the ones. Okay, in a place
1.
value, this is a ones place. And then the next one, this is what we
And
call.
this is the tens.
Very good. Okay, now let's
Tens.
continue.
And then the other one right here, the third one is the hundreds.
Okay, the hundreds. Now let's go back. We need to write the answer under the line. So what is 3 times 4?
3 times 4. 3 times 4. 3
So it's
times
3.
4 times
Skip
12.
count. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so it's 12. So we are going to write down 2.
Here.
Okay,
Because we can put
below.
a 1.
Yes. So where do we put 1?
On top of a 2.
Very good. Now, next is we multiply 2 and 4. So what is that? 2 times 4.
2 times 4. Okay. I swear I got to do something. Right. 2 times 4.
Okay, you can do it. 2 times
If
4.
I did out, wait,
Where are you going?
trying to check on my mom is cooking.
No, no. Just focus in our class first. So what is 2 times 4, Amir? You skip count. 2.
2. 2 times 2 equals 4.
Okay, so 2, 4. You skip count until you reach 4. 4 fingers. 2, 4.
2, 4, and then next is 3
Is it 3? 2 times
times
3 is what?
4. 2 times 3 equals 6.
Okay. 2, 4, 6, and then
And then, I have silver.
okay. Please focus. Amir, what is 2 times 4? So 2
2,
times 3 is already 6. You have to add 2 more.
2 more.
So what is 6 plus 2? That
Why
would be 2 times 4.
2 times 6 plus 2 equals 2 more.
What is 6 plus 2?
Oh, 8.
8. Okay. So since 2 times 4 is 8, you have to add 1 more. It's on top of
And
2.
it becomes 9.
Okay, so what is your final answer for 23 times 4?
It's 92.
Okay, so now let's proceed with our worksheet here. You need to find the product. Okay, so this will be a challenge. So what you're going to do is you need to focus and
On what?
multiply. Okay, so number 1, please read the expression.
Okay, 57 times 9.
Okay, 57 times 9.
Okay,
So what you're the first thing that you're going to do is you multiply 7 times 9.
7 times 9. Why am I biting something? I think I might have ate breakfast. So. I keep writing my own.
Okay, 7,
Okay.
14.
Okay, 7, 14. And, oh wait, we need to add 9 more.
until
Mhm.
you reach 9 fingers. So 7, 14, 21.
21.
Amir, you are allowed to write down in your paper. Okay? So if you have paper and pen, go grab it quickly so you can write down the multiplication of 9 or 7. Then you can add numbers so you could answer our number 1.
What is happening? While we zooming in.
So we can just focus on the first item first. So 7 times 9, so we have 7, 14, 21. What's next?
21 is
If you add 7 more, what is the next one?
wait, 7 more. Hey, 7 more. And take the next. Oh, wait.
So it's 7, 14, 21,
28.
28. Next is?
And next is 35.
Very good. 35. And then next?
Is 42.
42. And then?
Next is 49.
Yep, 49.
And then next is 56.
Okay, next is 56. And
next
then?
is 63.
Can you repeat that?
Next is 63.
Okay, 63 and then 70. So,
Yeah.
Amir, what is 7 times 9?
70.
Is it 70?
33. Why the heck did you?
33?
I said 63.
Okay, 63. So, what am I going to write down here below 9?
I think you have to go with the 3.
And then on top of 5 is?
6.
Okay, what is 5 times 9?
5.9. Okay, now I'm just gonna write it.
So 5, 10,
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
So what is 5 times 9?
Is equals to 45.
So it's 45, and we will not stop there since we have 6 on top of 5. So 45 plus 6, what is the total?
45 plus 6. What is the total? Yay! I think it's 30.
No, we're adding. So 5 plus 6.
Plus 6. Hmm. Mm. But,
5 plus 6. You just have to add them.
wait, no, it's 6. 11?
Okay, so 1 here and 1 on top of 4. So what is 4 plus 1?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
So it's 51. So 5 times 9 plus 6, it's 51. So what is our product?
113.
So 57 times 9 is 513.
13.
Very good.
What's going on?
Now,
I see a big-
next.
Next. Yeah.
Okay, so
Nine.
next.
Nine.
Okay, let's try number 3. 41 times 8. So we
Did
are,
we just miss number 2?
yes, because it's still
Yeah.
the same. It's 9. So we're going to hop on with a different number, which is you are multiplying by 8. So, Amir, what is 1 times 8? So it's 41 times
Yeah,
8.
it's just 8. What?
Okay, how about 4 times 8? So it's 4,
Or
8,
8. Wait. Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Wait a second.
32.
My screen like kind of lagged there. 32 is and the next is 36.
And then 40. So what is 4 times 8, Amir?
4 times it 32.
So what is your final product? 41 times 8,
It's
that would be
328
328.
and 28.
Okay. So in this part, you answered it quickly.
Dude,
Okay,
the
answered it
one is
fast. So very good. Now let's proceed with 5. So please read the expression. What is this?
72 times 5.
So what is 2 times 5, Amir?
2 times 5. Okay, let's go. 15. Why you need
2 times 5?
15? Hello.
Is it 15? 5
You
times
need
2.
5 times. Oh, means 5 times 2. 10.
Okay, 10. So I'll be writing down 0 here, below 5, and
15.
1 on top
We
of
put 1 on
7.
top of 7.
Okay,
What is the first?
7 times
Okay, 1
5, and
times
then up 1.
7 times 1. 7 times 5 times 1. What happened?
Okay, hold on.
Why did
7,
they all disappear?
7
And there's
times,
crayons. Why is the internet sucks here?
okay, I'll
It's
try.
literally uh, it's literally at full internet, but still it's still laggy. Doesn't know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
So what is, so 2 times 5 is 10. So what is 7
2
times
times
5 plus 1?
7 times 5 plus 1. So let's get another one. Let's go with 7.
Or you could just focus on the multiplication of 5 if because it's more easier.
Oh, I think it's supposed to be 42 since you have to add 1. Oh, wait. I
5,
think. Ah, so you mean it's 36?
okay, it's 36. So what is 72 times 5?
72 times 5 is 360.
300 and
And
360, or
60.
it's just 300?
360.
Okay, very good,
360.
Amir. Okay, so let's
What is
uh
going on?
here, number 5. Read the
Number 5.
expression.
78 times 6.
Now, what is 8 times 6? So it's
Okay,
8.
let me just go. 8, 16, 24. Okay, wait. 48.
48. 8 times 6 is 48.
Okay, 8
Okay.
times 6.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
correct. It's
8.
48. So 8 here and 4
Yeah,
on top
we put
of.
the 4 on top of the 7.
So what is 7 times 6?
7 times 6. 7 times 6. 7 times 6. 7, 14, 21, and 28.
We're
Okay,
looking
exactly.
for the product of 7 times 6. So
7 times
7, 14, 21, 28.
38. Okay, let's go. Oh, you mean, so you mean it's 42, but it's gonna be a customized sense. There's gonna be another 4 there.
So it's 42 plus 4.
Plus 4. So 2 plus 4 equals. Is it 6?
Yes. And then bring down 4. So what is
See,
our final
I have
product? So what is our product for 78 times 6?
468.
Very good, Amir. So it's 468 or 468. Okay, so this one is easy. Since you are
Yeah,
multiplying a
because
number
it's
by
just 2
2.
times 2
Th-
equals 4.
And then
Okay, let's
8
go.
times 2 is
Times
what?
2. Oh, 16.
Okay, final answer, that would be what?
106. Oh, wait. 106.
Is it 106?
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. 100.
8 times
It's
2, you
8.
said it's 16.
168.
2 times 2, you said it's 4. And 8 times 2, it's...
Oh my God!
So what is your final...
164.
Okay, so that's 164, Amir. So, okay, I'll zoom in. So you answered 5 items. Okay, but what we did first, we tackled the process on how we multiply a 2-digit by 1 digit, and we reviewed the multiplication table from 1 to 10, and you answered 5 items for today's session. Okay, I'm here today in our online tutor class. You reviewed how to do multiplication in columns with a 1-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. So you practice lining up the numbers. Okay, that ones and tens are supposed to be in the right place. You multiply the bottom number by the ones digit first, then by the tens digit. Okay, you remembered to carry numbers when the product was more than 9. That's why we carry it to
More
our
than
tens place.
9.
Okay?
And I see a flying crayon there.
And then you
Cracker.
added the partial products together to get the final answer. So you solve problems like 57 times 9, 72 times 5, step by step. Okay, so you check your okay, wait for the yawning. So you check your answers to make sure they were correct. So you work carefully and show that you can understand bigger multiplication problems when you follow the steps. So just a reminder to review the multiplication tables once again so you can answer the items or the expression faster. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Amir, and I'll see you again for our
Oh,
next
the
class.
television.
Bye bye, Amir. Thank you so much.